Hi, today I'm front of my Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge application and then select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click just to apply, tap the backgrounds if you want to change them, just by swipe to the up or to the down. Click to apply. If you wanna change just music control settings just to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, you should slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. And notifications section, we should here to activate to show notifications. We should tap here on the switcher, allow. Let's go back now. Also, if you want to turn on or turn off the notifications or calendar by the same way, you should use this water here. It will change the battery settings. So just to show the battery status always while device charging or never, select one from these available options. Click to this X icon, tap to the settings and tap to always on display. Just to show it on lock screen always while the device charging or on music, we should just use one from this available switcher. To increase or decrease the brightness level, we should switch to the left or to the right side this white dot. We also can change the screen timeout from 15 seconds to never, to change the screen orientation from auto to portrait, landscape or to reverse landscape, and to close it with the double or single tap. To close it with the fingerprint if you used fingerprint unlock method on screen off, just to set the shadow, the start and end time, to activate and turn off the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize the option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.